I have a Scion here. This one got damaged in this left front corner. You can see the fender's all folded up right here, and you can see it pulled the fender way away from the hood, so it has a huge gap here. So I'm going to go ahead and tear this one down. I'm going to take the bumper off, headlight, fender, and then I'll have to tear down the door for blend, get a new fender, and then the fender got pushed into the door and it nicked the edge of the door right here as well. Alright, I got this one all apart. So this one is going to get a new fender. The headlight is broken where it mounts right here, so it's going to get a new headlight. The bottom headlight bracket is missing a big chunk of it right here, as well as the fender mount bracket that goes right here, or bumper mount bracket. And this light goes like this, and the plug is busted on that. We're gonna have to find a pigtail, the plug for it as well, which is busted. And then it has a minor repair on the bumper cover right here. However, this bumper has other damage on it. It's been hit on this side, and it has spider cracks in the paint going all the way across the whole front of this bumper. So we're gonna have a conversation with the customer and find out what they wanna do, because the insurance company will only pay for the damage directly related to the accident. All of this damage was from a different accident, so we can offer the customer the option to pay the difference to get a new bumper cover if they would like to. That way we aren't painting over this other damage that's on it. So I'm going to get with our estimator now and have them write all this up, and we will go from there, get the parts ordered, and talk to the customer. So this one just came out of our paint booth. They got it all painted, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting it back together. So it turned out this job was a customer pay, and they didn't want to buy a new headlight. They just had us plastic weld this tab right here. So that's why I don't have a new headlight here.